Welcome to Ebas Gallery channel. At the 2016 Chicago Auto Show, Nissan brought along 3 Winter Warrior concepts based on the Pathfinder, Murano, and Rogue. All 3 had snow tracks instead of wheels. Nissan is again using the show to highlight a new wintery concept that is a bit tamer than its Winter Warrior concepts, the 2018 Nissan Armada Snow Patrol, which is debuting alongside the significantly more bonkers 370 ZKI. To make the Nissan Armada Snow Patrol, the automaker started with your standard 2018 Armada SUV with its 390 HP, 5.8-liter V8 and 7-speed automatic transmission. Nissan replaced both the wheels and tires, adding 20-inch Cognito Series 61 wheels in satin black and Pro Comp MT2 off-road tires. Nissan also raised the suspension 2 inches at the front and 1 inch at the back. While the 2018 Armada drives like a luxury sedan, it has a long off-road heritage as the Nissan Patrol, a global expedition vehicle, said Billy Hayes, Division Vice President, Commercial Vehicles and Trucks, Nissan North America. As part of our celebration of winter at the Chicago Auto Show, we wanted to remind our growing family of Armada owners and enthusiasts that this full-size SUV stands ready to take you to the mountains, or at least safely through Chicago streets covered in lake-effect snow. The front bumper is replaced with an off-road ready piece that comes with a grille protector bar and 12,000 pounds, 5,443 kilograms, winch. Side steps, rock sliders, 5-inch LED fog lights, a double-row LED light bar, side steps, a custom body wrap with the Armada Snow Patrol logo, and a roof rack complete the Snow Patrol's exterior transformation. Inside changes are minimal. Nissan upgraded the seats, adding pearl color leather with cement color perforated inserts and cobalt contrasting stitching. Nissan also stitched the Armada Snow Patrol logo into the seat backs. The Nissan Armada Snow Patrol is just a concept. Don't expect the automaker to partner with Polaris just yet. It's always nice to see an automaker go out of its way to take their lineup and design something enthusiasts could enjoy. If someone wanted to build their own Armada Snow Patrol with a new bumper, bigger wheels, and an LED light bar, here's the blueprint.